Hello everyone, got some new figures in 1/64 scale and I'm showing it you like this. Better put this a little bit backwards. This is the package, it's from the brand Moreart, and here you see the figures that are inside: combat soldiers, a dual set, barcode, article number. A lot of information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Do they have more figures? Yes, they have a lot of figures. I should do a review about the figures I've got from them. These are the Gang Boss figures. 4 figures in total. Let's see. So here is one. Looks a bit like Tony Montana. What do you think? And the other ones are here. Yeah, we'll do a review about those later. So here I've got a lot more art figures. Most of them are still in the package. And I also got one from Mini Station. But Mini Station is also part of Moreart. But that's for later. And if you want to see a video about my 1/64 figures, or maybe 1/72 figures, got a lot of those too. Got one set right here, British modern soldiers. I can do a video from that as well. But today we're looking at these figures right here, 3 in total. Whoop. Dropping the knife. Let's see. Can I open this? Yep. There it is. So most of the time 1/72 of military figures are 1/72. But here you can see clearly this is 1/64. Very well packed. In desert color. Oh, they look really good. These are hand painted. Here it says push. Yep, there we go. Oh, be careful, be careful, be careful. Okay, let's start with this one. Yeah, that is really well painted. Let's do it like this. Fantastic paint job. This is hand painted. Very good details. Those details of those figures are getting better and better. And also the painting gets a lot better nowadays. I remember the figures from 5 years ago. And if you compare them with the one from nowadays, it is so much better. Okay, we don't even need the green stuff that is here. Every package has some of that green gum. This one is with a pistol. Also very good looking. Very nice combat soldier. Okay, I'm going to put that right here. Later we're going to have a better look at the diorama. So this one looks like a Heckler and Koch, Heckler and Koch, the machine gun he has in his hand. Sunglasses, night goggles, I think it is. Lots of accessories, even a pistol right here, which is painted in black. Yeah, very well done. Okay, let's put that one over here. And then we can create a nice diorama. Oh, I see. I think it's better to do it like this. So there we go. We got a very nice diorama. Let's take the camera off the tripod. Yeah, that is looking really cool. And this is also, well, actually this is a 1/72 scale diorama. You can buy this on AliExpress. Comes ready out of the box. You pay like €50 for a diorama like this. Comes with a display case. Also perfect for a tank or other military models. Or even a normal 164 or 1/72 scale model. Very cool. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Click, click, click. And have a very nice day. Bye.